all set, ready to race. Race number 9. Away they go, to the mark from the outside, came possible by Porsari. Royalty Material moving up by the rails, dance away, rushing up, Rampire Fighter. To the mark, Royalty Material on the outside by the rails, Rampire Fighter. Down on the inside, dance away by Porsari. And ding, galing glass cockpit came possible. And big packet, and rounding the far turn, to the mark, Rampire Fighter. Down on the inside, Royalty Material, dance away, ding, galing racing on the outside, big packet came possible as they swing for home. To the mark, Rampire Fighter to grab the lead. It's now Rampire Fighter to the mark, dance away, came possible, and Royalty Material, and nearing the finish line, Rampire Fighter to the mark once again on the outside, and Kim Possible by the rail, and finally Rampire Fighter close to the mark. Kim Possible dance away, took